In this video, I'll show you how to recover a Tonkeeper wallet if you don't have the recovery phrase and what options may still work. First, it's important to understand how Tonkeeper wallets work. Tonkeeper is a non-custodial crypto wallet, which means only you control the private keys. The 24-word recovery phrase is the main way to restore the wallet on a new device. Because of this design, Tonkeeper itself cannot reset or recover a wallet without that phrase. However, there are a few things you can still check. If the wallet is still logged in on your phone, open the Tonkeeper app and go to Settings. Then look for the option to view or back up your recovery phrase. Write it down safely so you can restore the wallet later if needed. Another possibility is if you previously exported the wallet or backed up the phrase in a password manager, cloud notes, or a secure backup file. Check those locations to see if the recovery phrase was saved earlier. If the wallet was connected to Telegram Ton features or another app, check whether the wallet session is still active there. But in most cases, without the recovery phrase or access to the original device, the wallet cannot be restored. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.